Have you ever wondered about the places on Earth that remain untouched, unexplored, and unreachable by most? The world is an enormous place filled with countless mysteries and intriguing locations that defy the imagination. Today we are setting out on a virtual expedition to explore these unreachable corners of the Earth. Our planet is a diverse and complex entity, with an array of geographical, climatic, and topographical variations. Some of these variations create areas that are nearly impossible for humans to access. These are the places where the air is too thin to breathe, the temperatures too extreme to endure, or the terrains too rough to navigate. They are the epitome of the wild and untamed, the places that make our world so incredibly intriguing. Consider the dense and impenetrable jungles that swallow up miles upon miles of land, where the layers of foliage are so thick that sunlight barely reaches the ground. Or the vast, icy expanses of the polar regions where the cold is so severe that it can freeze the very air you breathe. There are also towering mountain ranges with peaks that reach into the heavens, where the air is so thin that every step becomes a monumental effort. And let's not forget about the vast and unending deserts, where the heat is so intense that it can cook an egg on the sand. These places are not for the faint of heart. They demand strength, endurance, and a spirit of adventure that few possess. They are the ultimate test of human resilience and determination, a true testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration. But why do we seek out these places? Why do we push the boundaries of what is known and comfortable? The answer is simple. It's because these unreachable corners of the Earth remind us of our place in the world. They remind us of the vastness of our planet, the wonder of nature, and the thrill of discovery. So buckle up and prepare yourself for a thrilling journey to the world's most unreachable sights. First stop, the dense, impenetrable heart of the Amazon rainforest. Picture this, a vast verdant expanse teeming with life, where nature rules and mankind is but a fleeting visitor. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, the world's largest tropical rainforest, a place that is as beautiful as it is dangerous. Navigating the Amazon is no easy feat. The dense vegetation, which forms an almost unbreakable wall of green, makes every step a challenge. The undergrowth is a tangled maze of vines, shrubs, and trees, some towering over 200 feet high. The air, heavy with humidity, is filled with the constant hum of insects, the distant calls of birds, and the rustling of unseen creatures. But it's not just the vegetation that poses a challenge. The Amazon is home to an array of dangerous wildlife. From poisonous dart frogs to jaguars, from anacondas to piranhas, this is a world where survival of the fittest is not just a theory but a harsh reality. Yet despite the dangers, the Amazon rainforest is a treasure trove of biodiversity. It is estimated that 1 in 10 known species on Earth calls the Amazon home. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, the Amazon is a living, breathing testament to the power and beauty of nature. But the Amazon is not just a haven for wildlife. It plays a crucial role in the planet's ecosystem. Its trees produce 20% of the world's oxygen, earning it the nickname the lungs of the Earth. The Amazon also stores vast amounts of carbon, helping to regulate global climate. The Amazon rainforest, however, is under threat. Deforestation, illegal logging, and climate change are slowly but surely eating away at this natural wonder. And yet, despite these challenges, the Amazon continues to thrive, a testament to the resilience of nature. The Amazon, a beautiful mystery that remains largely unexplored. Let's keep it that way, preserving its beauty and mystery for generations to come. Next, we journey to the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth, Antarctica. A place of stark beauty and savage conditions where temperatures can plunge to a bone-chilling minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. A place where the wind can whip across the ice at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, sculpting the snow into surreal landscapes. A place where less than 2 inches of precipitation falls each year, making it technically a desert. But despite these extreme conditions, life persists in this frozen wilderness. Penguins huddle together for warmth, their dense feathers providing insulation against the cold. Seals bask on the ice, their thick blubber protecting them from the freezing waters. Even in this harsh environment, life finds a way. And it's not just wildlife that calls Antarctica home. Scientists from around the world brave the isolation and the elements to conduct vital research. They drill deep into the ice, extracting cores that provide a snapshot of the Earth's climate over the past 800,000 years. They study the wildlife, gaining insights into how these hardy creatures survive in such a hostile environment, and they monitor the ice shelves, keeping a watchful eye on the impacts of climate change. Getting to Antarctica is no easy feat. It requires a voyage across some of the roughest seas on the planet, or a flight through unpredictable weather conditions. But for those who make the journey, the reward is a chance to witness one of the last true wildernesses on Earth. Antarctica is a testament to the resilience of life and the spirit of exploration. It's a place where the ordinary rules of existence are turned upside down, where the impossible becomes possible. A place where you can stand at the bottom of the world and gaze up at a sky filled with a million twinkling stars. Antarctica, a frozen wilderness at the end of the Earth. From the coldest to the highest, our adventure takes us to the world's tallest mountains. Imagine standing atop a peak, the world sprawled out beneath you, a vast panorama of nature's grandeur. Now imagine that peak being so high it scrapes the sky, piercing the very clouds. Welcome to the realm of the world's highest mountains. High-altitude mountaineering is a feat that demands immense physical and mental strength. It's a world where the air is thin and every breath is a battle. At these staggering heights, oxygen levels drop to a mere third of what they are at sea level. This means that climbers' bodies have to work overtime just to function, leading to fatigue, dizziness, and in severe cases, altitude sickness. But the lack of oxygen is not the only challenge. The higher you ascend, the colder it gets. Temperatures can plummet to a bone-chilling minus 60 degrees Celsius. That's colder than the inside of your freezer. And let's not forget the unpredictable and often violent weather. One moment the sun could be shining brightly, and the next, a blizzard could be raging. Despite these challenges, or perhaps because of them, these peaks have attracted mountaineers from all over the globe. Peaks like Everest, the world's highest at over 29,000 feet, and K2, the second highest and often considered the most challenging. These towering giants have been the sites of some of the most daring and awe-inspiring feats in human history, and yet these mountains remain more than just a physical challenge. They are a testament to the indomitable spirit of human endeavor, a symbol of our desire to conquer the seemingly unconquerable. They are a reminder of our place in the universe, small and insignificant, yet capable of achieving greatness. These towering giants remain a formidable challenge for even the most experienced climbers. And as they stand there silent and majestic, they continue to call out to the adventurers, the explorers, the dreamers, to those who dare to look up and say, "I will climb that mountain." Now let's dive deep into the world's oceans where light barely reaches. The ocean depths are a world of extremes. Down here, the pressure is immense, equivalent to 50 jumbo jets piled on top of you. It's a realm of perpetual darkness, where the temperature hovers just above freezing. Yet despite these harsh conditions, life thrives, demonstrating the incredible resilience and adaptability of nature. Exploring these depths is a monumental challenge. The high pressure and low temperatures make it impossible for humans to survive without specialized equipment. Submersibles, remotely operated vehicles, and autonomous underwater vehicles are the tools of the trade. Even then, the lack of light poses a significant obstacle. We rely on artificial illumination to pierce the darkness, revealing a world that is both eerie and fascinating. The creatures of the deep sea are unlike anything found elsewhere on Earth. The lack of sunlight means photosynthesis is impossible, leading to a food chain based on chemosynthesis, where organisms derive energy from chemicals instead of sunlight. This has led to the evolution of some truly bizarre species. Consider the anglerfish, a creature with an appendage that dangles a luminescent lure to attract prey. Or the vampire squid, which can turn itself inside out to ward off predators. Then there's the blobfish, a gelatinous creature that has been voted the world's ugliest animal. Yet, each of these creatures is perfectly adapted to its environment, a testament to the power of natural selection. But these are just the creatures we know about. Scientists estimate that we've explored less than 5% of the world's oceans. Who knows what other strange and wonderful creatures lurk in the unexplored depths? The ocean depths are a treasure trove of scientific discovery, holding secrets about the origins of life on Earth and potentially life on other planets. Every expedition brings new discoveries, shedding light on this dark and mysterious world. The ocean depths, a dark and mysterious world that remains largely unexplored. Finally, we venture beyond our planet into the vastness of space. The cosmos beckon us with a siren's call, an irresistible allure that stirs the spirit of adventurers. Yet space is not a realm for the faint-hearted. It presents a myriad of challenges that test the limits of human ingenuity and resilience. Imagine hurtling through the inky blackness at unimaginable speeds, encased in a vessel that separates you from the chilly vacuum by mere inches. There's the ever-present danger of radiation, invisible and insidious, threatening to wreak havoc on the human body. Shielding astronauts from this invisible foe is a complex problem, one that scientists are still grappling with. Then there's the issue of microgravity. In the weightless environment of space, bones lose their density, muscles atrophy, and the heart changes shape. It's like being on an extreme bed rest, but with no chance of getting up for a brisk walk or a quick jog. Astronauts have to exercise for 2 hours a day just to keep their bodies from wasting away. And let's not forget the psychological challenges. The isolation, the confinement, the monotony of space travel can take a toll on even the most resilient minds. We're social creatures after all, not designed for long stints of solitude amidst the stars. Despite these challenges, we continue to reach for the stars. Mars, our ruddy neighbor, has always held a particular fascination. Numerous rovers trundle across its dusty surface, beaming back valuable data. Plans are afoot to send humans to Mars. It's a daunting task, fraught with risks and uncertainties, but the potential rewards are enormous. Space, the final frontier where the greatest adventures still await. It's a realm of infinite possibilities, a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we stand on the cusp of this new era of exploration, one thing is certain: the adventure is just beginning. In our journey today, we've visited some of the most unreachable places on Earth and beyond. We've ventured into the heart of the Amazon, where the dense jungles and winding rivers conceal an array of unique wildlife, ancient cultures, and untold secrets. Our thirst for knowledge pushes us to navigate through the thickets, even as the humidity and the ever-present dangers test our endurance. We then braved the harsh conditions of the frozen continent. Antarctica, the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth, is a testament to the sheer power of nature. Its icy expanse hides secrets about our planet's past and potentially its future. Yet despite the extreme cold and isolation, it continues to draw explorers, each one eager to uncover its mysteries. From there, we scaled the world's highest peaks, the Himalayas, the Andes, the Alps. These mountain ranges are not just geographical marvels. They are symbols of human resilience and ambition. The thin air, the biting cold, the treacherous terrains, every step towards the summit is a battle. But the spectacular view from the top, the feeling of standing above the clouds, makes the struggle worthwhile. Next, we plunged into the ocean depths, the least explored and perhaps the most fascinating of all places. The deep sea harbors creatures so bizarre, they might as well be from another planet. Amid the crushing pressure, the icy cold, and the pitch-black darkness, life thrives in its myriad forms. It's a world within our world waiting for us to delve deeper and discover. Finally, we touched the final frontier, space. The vast expanse of the cosmos, with its countless stars, galaxies, and phenomena, is the ultimate adventure. It's a journey into the unknown, where the rules of Earth no longer apply. The challenges are immense, from surviving in zero gravity to the psychological toll of isolation. But the rewards, the knowledge, the perspective, and the sheer wonder are unparalleled. Each of these places presents unique challenges, but also unique opportunities. They remind us of our insignificance in the grand scheme of things, yet also of our potential. For it is our curiosity, our determination, our insatiable desire to explore that takes us to these unreachable places. But as we venture further, let's not forget our responsibility. These untouched places, with their fragile ecosystems and undiscovered secrets, need to be preserved. Our exploration should not come at the cost of their destruction. So let's continue our journey of discovery, but with respect and care. Every step we take into the unknown is a step towards a better understanding of our world and ourselves. Remember, the greatest adventures often lie in the most unreachable places. Until next time, keep exploring, keep